to more of the experts, and the more I learned, the more I realized just how much I needed to know. Even once you know all the technical details about Bitcoin, there's still a lot to learn about keeping your funds secure in the real world. One of the most interesting things I found out is in the early days of the internet, they were actually paving the way for something like Bitcoin before they even knew what it would be.
So when the first web browser was built, there was a 404 error, page not found, and there's also a 402 error, payment method not specified. So back when they originally built the web browser, they were thinking about the time when they would eventually discover the technology, create the technology to transfer value over the internet. They didn't have the technology back then, but they still had the foresight that eventually we would get there. Well, now we're here. Bitcoin is a solution to that.
You know, it's hard to isolate what in particular about Bitcoin is so amazing, but if I had to name one thing, I would say it was the distributed network. This is kind of an amazing thing because it's essentially immortal. It can exist, in trillions of copies all over the world. What that means essentially is that it can't be destroyed. I mean, you could apply every regulator, every bureaucrat, every politician, every central banker in the world, assign it to destroy the blockchain, and they could spend 24/7 doing this, smashing copy after copy after copy, and destroy trillions of copies. But so long as there's one left somewhere, and there always will be, it can reproduce itself instantly and come into existence of billions and trillions of times over again, virtually instantly. What this means is that the blockchain itself is more powerful than all the governments in the world combined many times over. This is huge. We've never had a tool this powerful to beat back the despots of the world.
Throughout most of the convention, I couldn't find anybody that shared a few of the concerns that I have about Bitcoin,